Even with the zero export device installed, why I still see amperes on grid phases? Hi, I am Shaf Ali from ICSS Engineering. We specialize in solar SCADA and control systems required for safe and productive integration of grid-tied renewable solar energy in existing power infrastructure of industrial and commercial applications. First, let's be very clear that the variable, which is active power, zero export device is controlled on instantaneous basis. Zero export device monitoring active power and dispatching commands to the solar inverter to either increase or decrease solar generation. Logically, if the DC is strong and the inverter is able to take up all load, it is quite normal to expect 0 amperes on the grid side. We still see those amperes because of following reasons. By looking at amperes, only one can tell if the direction of active power is from solar inverter to grid or from grid to load. Number 2, as inverters are by default in unity power factor, it means that although the inverters have taken up active power load, on the other hand, it is reflecting reactive power to the grid. As reactive power is also a type of power, which is why amperes may be because of reactive power. Number 3, this may be because of load unbalance in all three phases. As in grid-tied technology, the inverter injects the same amount of power in all three phases. So, a true zero export will function with reference to the phase with the lowest load on it. Number 4, either the power sensor connected to your inverter is not working properly or it is not configured properly.
We have and will be covering more topics related to PV microgrid design, PV Genset controllers and solar SCADA monitoring. Check out this video's description for the links. You can browse this YouTube channel for PV Genset hybrid projects based on Energy PK PV diesel controller. You can also visit our website www.icssww.com for details. For local and international Energy PK PV diesel controller inquiries, fill in the Google form link provided in the description or contact us through email, call, WhatsApp, email or WeChat. We are glad to offer much required solar operation and maintenance SCADA system called PV SCADA Max. PV SCADA Max is a complete O&M SCADA solution for medium, large or very large scale PV solar integration projects. Salient features of PV SCADA Max are high level of scalability from 100 kilowatt to multiple gigawatts. Real-time monitoring of each grid-tied solar inverter and its respective strings. Real-time alerts and alarm logs in case of any alarms on inverters. Real-time monitoring of energy mix between various sources, for example, grid, solar, and generators against weather data. Transparency of energy generation and consumption reporting. Historical trending of parameters. Integration of data from third-party SCADA control equipment or process-sensitive instruments. Fact-based data for root cause analysis. For local and international Energy PK PV diesel controller inquiries, fill in the Google form link provided in the description or contact us through email, call, WhatsApp, email or WeChat. Thank you for your time. Thank you.